Hi, today's video regarding HP OfficeJet Pro 6970 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do a reset. Now, to do a reset, first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button on and wait for the display screen to come. So once the display screen is on, now we go and scroll down the top bar and you see the setting option here. Click on that. Now look for the printer maintenance here. Click on that. Now look for restore. Click on restore. Here you see restore factory defaults. So just click on that and continue. Now it's erasing all the data, all the wireless network saved, even fax details, whatever is saved here, it will be erased and your printer will be like a new printer, and basically it's like a new and there is no details available about the previous work, and you just need to reconnect it according to your use. So here we can see it's showing up the HP, so it's restarting now and the main screen will appear and then you are ready to go. Thanks for watching.